Okay, so I'm going to do this. No. No. Ellie, that's a cord. You're not allowed to have that. Get out of your mouth. Stop eating it. Stop eating it. Stop it. Stop eating it. Okay, that's enough. I said no. No. Hey, that's a cord. You're not eating cord today. Ellie, no. Okay, no more. Okay, let me pull it up here. No, I can't get it. Love Ellie. No, you need to not eating the cords off of your little belly. Little belly. Love you.